How to send an offer to a buyer in the eBay app. When you open your eBay app, you'll find this main page here, and you'll notice you may have a notification in the center that says send offer to buyers. This is one way you can send an offer to a buyer in the eBay app. You're going to click on that notification and it will pop up with any of the listings that are eligible to send offers to buyers. I'm going to click this send offer button here. This is where I can type the amount of offer I wish to send to my buyer. You can see on the top of the page, it has the original price of the item, $12.99. So I might want to send my buyer an offer of $9.99. I'm going to review the offer. You can see my offer is $9.99. I have one interested buyer. They have 48 hours to accept or deny the offer, and I do have counter offers on, so if this offer is too high, the buyer can send me an additional offer, a lower one that I can either accept or decline. I'm going to go ahead and click on submit offer. Your offer has been sent. We'll let you know if the buyer responds. So now all I have to do is wait for that 48-hour period to pass to know whether or not they accepted my offer. I'm going to click on done. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more eBay how-to tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you in my next video.